Hey guys, how's it going? Hope we're doing great today. And today we're going to be building a scorecard for um, for a business that deals in skincare and eye care products and things like that. So I'll just be showing you very quickly how you can create a scorecard with Lead Score AI. It's an application that I built and it's still in the MVP process. So I'm still trying to get feedback from people, what they think is valuable about the platform. And yeah, so you can sign up and try out the platform for yourself. So very quickly, I'm just going to create a scorecard, and in here, I have the ability to write out the name. So I'm just going to call this a lifestyle skincare scorecard. And let's just call it like, how well do you know your skin care routine? Or let's just say, like, how amazing, how effective is your skincare routine? And then I can just add an image very quickly, and and then here there's an option to select whether we want the users to be able to retake the scorecard, or we just want them to take it once and that's all. So I'm just going to select that option for them to take the scorecard again, because I'll be using the scorecard for marketing purposes, which is important as we go along. So now, industry insight: define the focus of your scorecard assessment. So here, you might say something like, how well do you know your um, skincare, um, you know, test out your skincare routine, something like that, and its efficiency. So here we have the opportunity to refine. So I can say something like high care, skincare routine. So you can just think of these as tags, right? And I don't want to go too far, so I'm just going to select marketing. And here I'm going to select 10 questions and proceed. So right now it is creating the questions. And what is basically happening is that it's getting the questions from the AI and it's formulating the questions and then the options. And then it's also, at the same time, it is ensuring that it's translated into the application and it's being built on the back end, and all of that is going on right as we speak. So in the next 60 to 120 seconds, it brings out all the results, and it loads perfectly, and you're able to edit those questions, and you're able to edit the options as well. So that's basically how it works, right? So the beautiful thing about this lead score AI is that you can build a scorecard from scratch using the manual method, or you can build it using AI. So depending on the particular kind of scorecard you want to build and send out to users, it all depends, and you can use this lead score AI to get that done. Right. All right. So he- the que- the questions are being created, right? And here you can see we have 10 questions. So I could expand on each question and then I could see the options there. So how often should you typically cleanse your face as part of your skincare routine? So I could go in and edit this question and say, if someone selects once a month, that's 0% for them. If they select once a week, they'll score 25%. If they select only when the skin appears dirty, maybe they will, that's 25% again. Twice a day is 100% for them. Once a week, let's just give it 75%. So you get the idea, and then we could say this is 50, no, we could say this is 25%, and we could say this is 0% or something like that, right? And so we save that option. And then so we can go in and edit the options one by one. And it's pretty simple, guys, to get this done. Um, this is best handled on the desktop rather than handled right on the um, rather than handled on the phone. So what will happen is I'll just go ahead to add, these options one by one. All right, so I'm done adding the questions, and so what we will do now is we will go ahead to publish this scorecard. So you can add more questions, you can delete questions, you can do a lot of things. So I can send this scorecard to an individual. I just need to put their name, email, and then I could change the subject, and then they will get the scorecard as an email sent to their email account, and they will need to log in and change their password and things like that in order for them to access the account, right? So I could do that. I could also send it to a group of people, very similar to the send to individual. All I need to do is upload a CSV file and then it's sent to people. For the test account, you can only send to 20 people in your company. After that, you get locked out. You can't really do anything again. And then you have the copy to clipboard where you are able to copy that link, and this is mostly used for marketing purposes, right? And with this, you can, add a sign up form. And with the sign up form, I could say something like, um, you know, sign up below and book a consultation with a skincare consultant, something like that. And I can just select if I want them to put their phone or if I'm okay with name and email. And I just save that, and like just like that, my scorecard is published. And we could also preview to see what it would look like in front of a user, like someone who we send the scorecard to. And in that instance, what they would see. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in another browser. Let's open this browser here. And I'm going to paste this here. I hope I'm not logged in. I don't think I am. And so you click get started. So I'm just going to go ahead to answer the questions very quickly, right? And yeah, it's pretty interesting application. You could also do it that your questions have images, right? I mean, if you want them to have images, they can have images. There's that option for that, there. And right, like once I'm done with all of that, right, I would need to, sign up to be able to see my results. So I can just put in my name, just put like Damola at talden.com. I can put my email. Sorry, this should be my email here. Excuse me. And this should be my name. I'm just going to call my name Damola Talden. And then I go to my scorecard result, which, you know, takes me into the scorecard result there. And it says I scored 40%. I didn't do so well. I missed 60 questions. And I could retake the scorecard. Or I could go back to the dashboard and I could, do other things. So that's basically it, guys. You could review this. You could use this for your marketing purposes. You could use this to transform your business, generate data internally and externally, and it's just a great business tool to help you. And I would love your reviews. I would love your thoughts. And see you next time. Bye.